I mean, it's become a pretty familiar sight again, and it's only the early part of the season. Tiger Woods winning his winning ways. It's his third win this season. We haven't even gotten to, like you said, the Masters yet. This will be, though, Tiger's last tournament as a tune-up before the Masters, which starts April 11th. And this win also means that the money is starting to flow again. So back in 2009, he was on top of the world, just like he is today. But not so surprising, he was also on top of the PGA Tour earnings list, meaning he pulled in over $10 million on the course in terms of earnings. Then a dramatic drop-off as his off-the-course indiscretions took their toll. But this year, his 3 wins already made him $3.8 million on the course. That's the #1 spot, but it's only part of the equation. The off-the-course stuff is massive compared to his on-the-course earnings. According to Golf Digest, if you factor in his totals, including sponsorships, he went from making $123 million in 2007 down to $64 million in 2011, but he's back on the upswing. And today, Electronic Arts releases the next version of its wildly popular Tiger Woods Golf 2014. The company has been trying to build up buzz around the launch. The more Tiger wins, the more people pay attention to his retail items with his name attached to them. Analyst Eric Handler, though, at MKM, says the ultimate impact of Tiger is more measured. He says that Tiger's winning ways shouldn't hurt sales, but Betty, he thinks EA made a hedge by promoting other parts of the game last year and even this year as well, as you can see right there.
So, Dom, then how important is it for Woods to keep this momentum going?
Well, if you look at it, I mean, talk about what's happening. If you look at this tweet that Nike Golf put out, it is about winning, because what it comes down to is if people win, people pay more attention to them. If this tweet is anything indicative of what they're saying, winning takes care of everything. This is what Tiger Woods said, and this is how Nike promoted the fact that he is now back on top of the world again. So, Betty, overall, it's very important for a lot of people to see him back in the winner's circle.